Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are showing you how we can sign up or log in into the Facebook easily with on PC or mobile. So let's get started. Start by opening up your browser. If you're on PC and go to facebook.com. If you're on mobile, you can just go over and install the Facebook application and head over to the login page. So this is the login page right here. Now, if you want to go ahead and sign up or log in, this is where you do it. So if you want to sign up or create a new account, you can select this option of create a new account and open it up. And when you do, it will provide you up with the space where you need to fill in your details. So first of all, in this first name, surname section, you need to provide in your first name and then your surname. And right below it, we just need to provide in our date of birth that we have. Provide in your date of birth, your legal date of birth if you prefer, and then just go over and select the gender once you do so. So select your gender, and all you gotta do after you select these options right here is enter up your email or phone number. So we need to verify our email or phone number. So either provide in your mobile address, mobile number, or the email that you would like to use in order to create your account, and once it is entered, right below it, we need to provide in our password. So once you provide in our password, you just need to click on this option of sign up and then verify your email by entering the code Facebook sends, and you will be having a new account automatically and ready to use. All you gotta do is that and you will be directly signed in. You can just go on with the process of setting up your account. But if you want to log in, you just need to go over to facebook.com right here, and this is the login page right here. All you gotta do is in this right hand side, provide in your email, phone, and your password. So provide in your email address in this first box, and right below it, you can provide in your password. You can even add your phone number if not this. And all you gotta do is select this number option of login. And if prompted, verify your device with a two-factor authentication. And then we'll be in, you can just go over and access your Facebook application, and that's it. So that is everybody how we sign up and log in into our Facebook account by following up this method. So if this video helped, hit like and comment and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.